Hello everyone. Now we are talking about MCC round 2. Confused about MCC round 2? Who needs fresh registration? Who can directly participate? And what happens to round 1 seat? Let's understand it in simple words. If you did not register in MCC round 1, don't worry, you can do fresh registration in round 2. Pay the security fee and fill your choices when the round 2 registration window opens. If you registered in round 1 but did not get any seat, you can directly participate in round 2. No fresh registration or security fee is required. And if you got a seat in round 1, selected the float option, you can continue to round 2, but remember you must fill fresh choices for round 2. One very important point, if you get a new seat in round 2 through upgradation, you have upgraded by the float option, the round 1 seat will be automatically cancelled. So fill your preference list very carefully. Also, candidates who already submitted their documents in round 1 generally do not need to upload them again or for every subsequent round unless MCC specifically asks them to do it. Now, what about free exit? In round 1, if you don't want to join the allotted college, you can use the free exit option subject to MCC rules. But be careful in round 2. Leaving after being allotted a seat can lead to, it is a very dicey situation for your security deposit. So you have to be very calculative on your choice filling. And if you want to participate in round 2 while upgrading your seat, make sure you follow the required float upgrade process, reporting the rules. It is very important. MCC counseling rules and date can change, so always check the latest official MCC notice before taking any action. You can also check on our website. You can press the bell icon and there are all updates there. If you are